Hello, hi, namaste. My name is Jyoti Bishwal, and we just started a new series. Okay, we already talked about the series that is a Java with DSA series. Along with, we just started a recursion series in between that only. Okay, I am going to solve a recursion question here. That is nothing but our power using recursion. Okay, I need a online whiteboard. Okay, I just go for the online whiteboard. Okay, that's fine. Let's go for that one. Let's understand this question. What exactly this question is asking for? This is asking for something like that only. The n is nothing but our number, and p is going to be the power of the number. We are going to do something. Okay, that is nothing but 9 to the power 9. Okay, we are going to do by using recursion. It is nothing but 2 to the power 9. Okay, this is something like that only. Okay, means we are going to do something. Let's consider it is a method. Okay, I'm going to do. Okay, means my n is nothing but for first time let's take n is 2, and here I were using what something like p is nothing but power here. Okay, yeah, p for me less my pi is 9. Okay, I have to write some logic here which is going to be satisfied this. Okay, okay, one second. uh, we are going to return what we are going to return. We are going to return n into. Okay, we are going to giving the power means n to the power something. We are going to add n up to that number, that is up to the that number nothing but means we are going to add these two for 9 times. Okay, we are going to adding this number, we are going to multiplying with this number up to 9 times. Okay, that's why I'm just calling. Let's my method is nothing but power pow. Let's consider this is my power. Okay, and this power method containing something just n and p. N is nothing but number and p is the power. Okay, these two is my something called what parameter. Okay, and it is a integer type. Returning time is something we call it integer type returning. Okay, I am returning something integer type. Okay, okay, what I have to do means here I have to do first n, again n, again n up to the length 9 means I have to multiply this number 2 up to 9 times. Okay, what I have to do here, let's n. Okay, and we are going to power of. Here we are just putting n is nothing but our 2 n comma p minus 1. Okay, we are putting something like this condition. Okay, and we have to end where you have to end because what is the ending point of this method where it is should be written. We are not adding here, that's why we can just put here if. Okay, if my p value is equal to something, my p value equal to 1, I have to return at that time, I have to return nothing but my I have a integer type return type. Okay, I have to return the number n. Okay, that should be my condition for this question. Let's solve this question and we will see if this is working or not. Okay, here I am just returning something n into reverse power. Okay, I just copying this. Okay, method name here and putting the parameter n and p minus 1. Okay, and I have to return if my p value is equal to 1, at that time I have to return something n here. Let's run this program here. Let's see if this is working or not. Yes, it is working properly. Let's submit the code. Okay, okay, there is something called we are getting some kind of okay error. We are getting stack overflow error. Why we are getting stack overflow error? If a value is 0. Okay, just put another condition. If my p value is equal to 0, at that time I have to return 1 because we already know now. We already know if something 2 to the power 0 will be there. Okay, if I have a value called 2 and 2 to the power 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, I have to implement this logic here. Means if my p value is equal to 0. Okay, I have to return that time 1. That is a logic. Okay, because something to the power 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, let's run this right now. Now it will be fine because all the test cases are going to be passed here, because we are considering the n value will be greater than 1, or whatever the sorry is equal to 1, or something equal to 0. Okay, we'll just see whatever the answer will be. Let's consider this is working or not. Let's see. Yeah, it is working fine perfectly. We just completed whatever the logic for the something called recursion. Here we have to do, first of all I am considering 1. Okay, for me some test cases are not passing, that's why I have to consider the 0 value. Okay, this is nothing but our recursion concept. Okay, be patient and be hope on yourself that you are going to solve many more questions. Okay, this is just something short video for the recursion. Be tuned for the next chapter, something called as quick shot. I'm going to cover it in the DSA playlist. Go check out that. Thank you and watching this video. Thank you, subscribe my channel, and that will be grateful for me.